Christmas Eve polar plunge, 34-degree water, me and AC. 1 minute, 1 minute. You ready?
1 minute.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Are you sure?
No, but we're gonna do it.
Okay, ready?
Just do it.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh, go AC.
Okay. Oh yeah.
You got it?
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We're halfway there. We're halfway there. We're on to you is going to stay in the city of David, a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. And this will be exciting to you. My GoPro's inside.
Okay, it's all right. I got you. Well, I'm at 50 seconds, but you weren't fully submerged. I'd say you have probably about 20 more seconds. You got this. I'll give you the countdown. All right, you got 10 more seconds.